I'll go over the program assessment chart, the goals and objectives, and then that'll be it for my part. So as far as the program assessment chart, or program assessment, this is what you guys are currently or what you're going to want to accomplish. Now, if you currently have a grant, say you're in here and you have a different grant, but your data shows a different issue that you have, you can even put in there what you guys are doing with your current grant that you guys have to address your issues currently. What resources does your community currently have in place? So this could be, do you guys have DUI task force in place, DUI court, Uber, Lyft? What is needed to more effectively address the problem? You could need more equipment like vehicles, you can need lasers, radars, anything like that that you guys need to address this specific problem. Identify local laws, policies, groups, and organizations that support or inhibit the success of the project. So this could be the city police department that works with you guys. It could be the state patrol, MAD, which is Mothers Against Drunk Driving, SAD chapters, which are in high schools, anything like that that are supporting you guys. Next is going to be the program assessment chart. So this is going to be only for law enforcement. And so you guys should have data for the previous 3 calendar years. So it's going to include, up here the years are different, but what it's going to include is 2016, 2017, and 2018 data. So if you are not law enforcement, just put a 0 in there because it's not going to let you guys move forward if you don't. Okay, so the next are going to be the goals, objectives, and activities section. So basically the goals are going to be brief statements of what you guys are trying to focus in on. So how will you be combating your problem? Your objective. This objective is going to be how you guys plan to accomplish this problem as well. And you're going to want to make sure that these are SMART objectives. And so that's going to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time sensitive. So you're going to want to make sure that these are specific. And Scarlett, if you go to the next one, it should show it. Oh, okay, just kidding. Okay, so I'll give you a few examples of just different activities and objectives as far as evaluations too. I'll give you a heat example just because that's just what I'm more familiar with. So for example, for heat, the objective is going to be the grantee will initiate X DUI contacts per month during the grant period. So this can be kind of however you want to, how many people you want to reach per grant year. And so your activity is the grantee will be dedicated to enforcing the impaired driving laws on the roadways of, I'll use Willow County, I made that up, I don't know, county/city through saturated patrol and checkpoints in areas identified by data. And so you're going to make a minimum of X amount of DUI contacts each month. And the evaluation piece, so like everybody's had said before, you're going to have to submit monthly progress reports as well as claims. So in the progress report section is actually where you guys are going to input this information. So for the evaluation, you can say we made 20 contacts. I mean, that's kind of low, but I'm just giving you an example. Another, as far as education projects, so if you guys are in here for education and want to initiate one of those, you can, for the objective would be to participate in blank local community events, whatever event that is what you're going to put in there. For your activity, you can purchase a pedal cart if it's in your grant. And then you can go to schools, anything like that, you can display that, have that as an education activity. And your evaluation piece would just basically be putting that in your monthly report of kind of how many people you reached at this event, anything that you guys saw that was important and that you feel as if you're actually getting your problem down. So this one is just, I can't really see that. But basically what this is it's going to be your project objectives, and this is just kind of showing you how you go through the system. So your goal, it's going to be a drop-down box. So whatever you guys are trying to accomplish is going to be in the drop-down box. So this could be, for example, to reduce alcohol and drug-related crashes. So you could just select that one in the drop-down box. and you're going to choose one that's most specific to your project. And like I said earlier, they're going to be SMART objectives. So that's going to be the specific, measurable, action-oriented, realistic, and time-specific. Okay, so this, you had already had put your goal. So now your objective is how you plan to impact the problem, what you guys are trying to do. So what you're going to do is you're also going to kind of, there's going to be a text box down there, so you're just going to type in what you guys are trying to do as far as the objective. Now, okay, so here's another example. So monthly, you guys are going to have to submit a progress report. And on that progress report, there's going to be a milestone section. And in that section, it's going to kind of look similar to like down below there. So say you want to initiate 20 DUI contacts each month. So you would put 20 in each of those boxes, and at the end, it's going to total up to 20 times 12. I'm not good at math, so I don't know what that number is. But it's going to total it up for you, which is great.